Hello guys, welcome to the 20th question of our database management systems, and we have this continuous question from question 16 to now. So let's see this question first. The marks of the term examinations of the Kolabila Junior College are still recorded in books. Because of this, the principal has to spend a lot of time when he needs to check the marks of the students. Therefore, the principal has decided to include the term marks of all students studying in his school in a computer system. The software was developed by a software development company called AI Software Logics. So the software should be able to store all students' term scores and student assessment scores. The principal has decided to develop this software to include the marks of the students in grade 11 as the first stage of this software, and you work as a senior software engineer at this company. You and your team are tasked with creating the database here and the SQL query used to provide the following requirements. So in the question 20, the first question is, find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject. So let's write the query for this. Execute the query. So you will get the count as 8. And the second question is, what is the minimum score obtained by the first term students? So let's write the query now for this. And execute. So you will get the lowest score like this. And the third question says, find the number of students who participated in the second term mathematics subject. So let's write this query now. Execute the query, and you will get the count as 8. In the fourth question, it says, which subject got the lowest mark in the first term? So let's write the query for this. Execute this. And we get the subject as science. And the fifth question is, find the name of the student who got the lowest mark in all the subjects in the first term. Execute, and you will get the first name and the last name of the student who got the lowest mark from all subjects in first term. And that's all for this question 20. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.